Hi, I'm Rhonda. Today we're going to show you how to replace the weather strip in your Therma-Tru entry door system. Whether you have long, medium, or magnetic weather strip, replacement is performed the same. The first step is to gently pull the weather strip from the top of the jamb. We are now going to install the replacement by pressing the flat edge of the weather strip into the groove. You will notice the replacement is longer than what you need. After we insert it into the jamb, we will trim it to the proper length. If you are going to replace all pieces of weather strip, you will repeat this process for the entire door. Next, we are going to trim the weather strip. You will notice that I am trimming it to touch the top of the adjustable saddle on the threshold. We have now successfully replaced our weather strip. If you have further questions, please contact us by email at customersupport@thermatru.com or by phone at 800-843-7628 or visit us on our website at www.thermatru.com.